Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Ram 2500 Laramie Limited. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 118,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, DVD player and power sunroof.